Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio Baby G Shock. As you can see here, we have the 24-hour button. So what we want to do is to make sure that we are in our home screen, so where we have the time and date displayed. In case you are not, press the mode button until you arrive in your home screen, just like this. And here, as you can see, we have 5 p.m. If I press the 24-hour button, it is going to switch to the 24-hour display, and now I can see that I have 17. In case you want to switch back, you can press it again. I prefer the 24-hour display, so I'm going to leave it just like this. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. It is going to be quite unique, and the settings are going to be quite different compared to other Baby G Shock watches. Once again, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.